What is TikTok? What is it? Maybe you are a person who doesn't have a lot of time. I am a person who has a watch and has been drinking ginger ale for the last 7 days because I'm sick. And time has no dominion over me. So I think I am in the best position to really help you with TikTok. I know that you're already in the wiki. You're looking at the jobs. You're trying to move who knows where for who knows why. I support you. I have videos about the job market. You can check them out. TikTok might just be the perfect place for you to relax and let some deadlines pass. Like when I go to the TikTok website, it says, make your day real people, real videos. I love that. I love that it specifies real people because I am a real person and I don't like any of that fake shit. We're in an authentic era. Everybody got to be real. Be yourself all the time. However, you can't actually access TikTok from your machine. You are going to have to use your phone, okay? And I hate that. I hate that for you because if you're anything like me, kind of just need that big screen. It feels so wonderful to close a window. I don't know what y'all like. I don't know if y'all are all day, every day CNN. If you mix it up with The Guardian, The New York Times, sometimes you go a little wild, go to The Intercept. I'm from the South. I'm from Aswalla, so my tastes are going to differ from yours on TikTok. Are you ready? Now, this is a feller named Lawson Skipper. Why does it repeat itself? Fennel the Millennial is there. You can only do 15 to 30 second videos. Think of it like you're in an elevator and you are with the most famous writer of the year. You want to say, hey, I have a TikTok account. Let me show you my novel. I have it here in 15 seconds. You can look at it.